Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, is currently still struggling. There's currently no real evidence that a meaningful price low has formed. There are a few different scenarios I am considering, but I try to keep it simple. If we hold the Friday low, then I will still watch for a broader B-wave bounce here. This would B-wave bounce or maybe even a rally in wave 5. So at the moment we have not broken yet below the Friday low. I maintain my view it's possible that a wave 4 bottom there or an A wave, but it's low confidence, because any rally from that low has so far ended as a 3-wave move, as a choppy and messy 3-wave structure. So basically, in other words, there is currently no evidence that a meaningful low has been established, okay? So if we continue to go higher, though, this would be the resistance area to watch between 114,212 and 121,934, but the bulls haven't given us any indication that they are starting to take the lead here. So short-term pressure still appears downward, but Bitcoin is hovering just above a key level. The September low, and also you will see on the smaller time frame we're holding above Fibonacci support. So that's in terms of, okay, as long as we're holding the Friday low, it can be a wider B wave or maybe even a 5th wave rally. But what if we break below the support area I will show you on the smaller time frame and we go down directly? Now, I've said it many times, the next key support level is likely around 98K. That's where the 55-week EMA is located, the 55-week exponential moving average, we talked about it. That's the white line. That's relevant. And the previous swing low from June. So it's this red structural support line. This would be the next key level to watch. Also, in that case, I can consider that simply, I can consider that simply this wave 4 is extending, or this wave A. And you will see that on the smaller time frame. Okay, so that makes it actually quite simple. So it's either wave 4 and wave A have bottomed already, or they are still unfolding. And the support area on the smaller time frame is the pivot. I'll try to keep it simple. Because this wave 4 could easily extend to that level, and the A wave as well. What I don't at this point assume is that this B wave already topped. It's possible, but it just doesn't have the right proportions. Which is why, if we go down directly, I will assume that we are still working on wave A or wave 4. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame, because what I've added here today is just the blue count. Now, don't get confused, Don't get confused. This here, this 4th wave, is this 4th wave I just showed you on the larger time frame, just a different wave degree. So it could, of course, extend, right? We could extend this wave A or the wave 4. That should make it clear, And blue just shows the pathway for lower prices, because I want you to know what the microstructure would be that we have to track should we indeed go lower. Honestly, Bitcoin hasn't given me any indication that it wants to turn around here. I mean, now or never, right? Now it's a now or never situation to keep this either broader B wave intact or even the potential for a 5-wave move up in the white scenario. And the pivot is and remains at $107,570, which is also where the September low formed. So in the blue scenario, and we just go down lower, it would simply be an ending diagonal pattern in wave C to the downside of wave 4, well, or wave A. But I just basically just want to give you a roadmap, what would happen if. And we have wave 2, and this would be an A wave and the B wave, and we're now in the wave C of wave 3, then wave 4, wave 5. And this C wave has formed 1, 2, 3 already. Wave 4 is due soon, and then wave 5. So that should give you a good idea of the roadmap that we're tracking here to lower prices in a more direct fashion. But at the moment, there's nothing that tells me that blue is invalidated. I mean, I was tracking this before, I just haven't shown it on the chart, but obviously, with the price trawling just above support, I thought at least you should be aware what the microstructure is if we go down lower. We're just at that pivot now, and I would really like to see from here move to the upside. But as I said to you, I have to remain objective, and the bounce from the Friday low remains like a 3-wave move so far. Now, historically, the second half in October is normally bullish. We'll see if the bulls show up here somewhere. Maybe we just complete this wave 4 and then start the rally. We'll see. I mean, for now, the pressure remains downward in the short term, but I'll keep you updated. I'm monitoring for any reversal patterns to the upside. Nothing there yet, but I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure you follow us on X for additional charts. I'll leave a link in the comment section for you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.